Do you need some industrial grade blades to chop up some industrial grade produce? I've got you covered with the Rosewill Professional Blender. How's it going, everyone? I'm Devin Howard, on Instagram as @DevinHoward and on TikTok as @DevinMHoward. I'm back again with another episode of Unbox This, and today we're getting into a super powered blender that spares no fruit, veggie, or herb. This blender is for the smoothie king or queen who needs some serious size and power. This guy has industrial blender power, which means your little frozen berries and your chia seeds are going to be crushed into oblivion once you power this guy on. So let's take it out of the box. It's time to unbox this. Okay, let's get into it. I mean, just judging by the size of this box, you can tell this is going to be a very big blender. It's upside down. Okay. We have the user manual. We have the blender lid. Wow, this is a massive blender. You can make smoothies for days in here. This is huge. Here is your blender stick, so you can put this in the lid and move things around if anything gets caught or if an air bubble forms when you're trying to blend up all your fruits and veggies. Whoa. And this is the blender base. It's a big boy. We've got a peel moment here, so let's do that. Nice. So that's everything that comes in the box. Let's set everything up and then we'll talk about this. When it comes to blenders, you can make a ton of things. Healthy smoothies, detoxifying juice cleanses, soups, sauces, nut butters, the list goes on and on. Hummus, mousses, flours, salad dressings, milkshakes, sorbets, doughs, baby food, hot sauce, jams, jellies, aiolis, spice blends, dips, salsas. Okay, I think that's enough for now. You guys get the idea. With 1400 watts of commercial blender power and up to 33,000 reps per minute, you're guaranteed to get smooth, creamy results in no time at all. Now, this blender can hold up to 2 liters of liquid, so you can make smoothies for your whole family, margaritas for your dinner guests, or just one giant batch of soup for yourself. That's a lot of soup, though. It includes this whisk bar attachment for mixing eggs, puddings, shakes, and more, so you can get your desired texture and consistency. It features a stainless steel food grade performance chopping blade, as well as this BPA-free dishwasher safe blending jar, which works as a pitcher with a spill-proof lid. Everything about this is convenient and easy to use. It has 3 pre-programmed settings and speeds. You can set it to blend a smoothie by pressing right here, ice by pressing right here, and a sauce by pressing right here. The knob adjusts the speed, and then if you want to just pulse your ingredients, you hold this switch right here. All right, well, shall we test it out? Let's do it. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to make a smoothie for the whole office, and since we're right in the middle of winter right now, I think it's a good idea to just give everybody a nice good dose of vitamins and antioxidants. So I'm going to make a tropical green smoothie. If you look at this, you can see that there's a lot of spinach here, but when you blend it all together with some really yummy fruity ingredients, you're not really gonna taste the spinach at all, but you are going to get all of the health benefits. So let's get started. I have a bag of frozen tropical fruit right here, and I'm gonna pour the whole thing in because this blender is big enough to fit all of it. Yum, look at that. So good. So now I have 1.5 bananas right here and a lot of spinach. I'm gonna pour that in And pray I don't spill. Ooh. Oops. So, while I do this, why don't you guys let me know in the comments section what your favorite smoothies consist of? Do you like tropical smoothies? Do you like berry smoothies? Now we're gonna put in some plant-based milk. I'm gonna fill it up with a lot so it's nice and sippable. Then we gotta blend it. Pop on the lid. Make sure it locks into place. All right, so we have all of the ingredients in here. I'm going to pop the lid on, and then we're gonna turn it on. I'm going to press the smoothie button because that's what we're making. Whoa! What's happening? This is so interesting the way it's blending like this. All right, guys, I think it's looking nice and done. Look at that color. It matches my shirt perfectly. Okay. So I've got little cups here. I'll pour some for myself. And it has that easy pour spout. Wow. Okay, now the moment of truth. Wow. That is so good, fruity and delicious. You would literally never know that there was spinach in here except for the fact that it's green. So this is super healthy, a great way to get in a lot of servings of fruits and veggies to start off your day. All right, you guys, does this Rosewill blender sound like something you need in your life? Check the link in the description to purchase one. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a like. I'm Devin Howard, thanks for watching, and we just unboxed this. Bye guys, cheers.